Hello, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have a beautiful Breville came into the shop. We replaced brand new solenoid valve. We did deep cleaning, descaling, and also new gasket. And it's clean inside out till it's polished out. It's one beautiful shop. So don't worry if it's light or strong. It's always adjusted here with the grind if you want it lighter or stronger. There you go. We have a nice, beautiful crema. Oh, by the way, this one here, we did not switch the grinder because the owner of the machine bought a separate grinder. So I just discharged from our grinder. Please do not forget to subscribe and come see us at the shop. We have beautiful selection of machines for sale. Thank you.